beautiful.
Yes,
Can you
I can't believe it. We made
I
it to
know.
Mexico.
It's wild, right? We were both teachers working in New York City.
And paying a mortgage was very high stress because of the high cost of living.
The pivotal decision to sell the house was seeing that our taxes went up by $400 a month. And I have realtor friends, and they were saying the market's hot, now's the time to sell. So I found a good deal on a van. She's like, we're living in a van? And I said, yes, that's our next step.
Definitely your decision.
So we went all over America looking for a place to move, to live, that metropolitan, cutting-edge city lifestyle at a much more affordable rate. But Mexico City was just number one. We ended up falling in love with the people, the culture, the food especially, and we just knew that this was the place for us. I was fortunate not to have to leave my job. The way teaching is going, they offered me an online position.
But I'm moving to Mexico City with no income, so I really don't want to put too much pressure on Alex for, the income of the family.
So this is beautiful Roma Norte, which is known for its wonderful nightlife, exceptional restaurants, a local boutique. So I think you guys are gonna really, really like it.
Okay.
I hope so. It's just right now I see a busy street and I'm worried about the dog. I want it to be close to a park, hopefully.
This one is 2 blocks away from the park.
Okay.
It's a money saver at $775.
Ooh, perfect.
It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, Mexican modern charm.
1 bedroom's kind of small, but
Yeah.
that price is just really good.
Let's give it a try.
Well, come on in. Let's go see it. Here we are.
Okay. I do like the Mexican tile work, but I wish it was brighter, different colors. It's a little dark.
Nice kitchen.
Granite counter,
Oh, wow, I love the oven.
That's cool.
and also a microwave, refrigerator, and it is fully furnished.
Yeah, that's true. It's really modern.
Engineered wood flooring, which is a plus.
Okay, that'd be good for our dog. It does have some Mexican details. I like these blankets and the tile work is pretty nice. I like the stairs. They're very artsy looking.
Let me take you upstairs over here. We're gonna go see the bedroom and bathroom.
Okay.
The bathroom's upstairs, there's none downstairs?
Exactly, it is
Okay.
upstairs.
I don't know about the stairs. Mira is getting kind of old.
Yeah, that's true. But they look really nice. I mean, it's a beautiful looking apartment. It's a little bit brighter than it was downstairs.
Yeah, the view is amazing.
It continues from downstairs.
Yeah, look at that view.
I would like you guys to see the bathroom. There is a
Okay.
wonderful surprise in there.
Let's check
Oh
it
yeah,
out.
let's check it. Oh wow, is this bathtub the surprise?
Oh, wow, yeah. Not really sure about this dark tile, though.
It is a little dark. And the fact that our guests have to use this bathroom, but the shower is great.
Yeah, the shower is great.
I think Beth will be a little bit more harder to please than Alex because he's very adventurous.
But at the same time, it drives me a little crazy because he is always just looking for the limelight.
And for me, it's all about location, location, location. This is Condesa. This is one of my most favorite areas in all of Mexico City. I just love the architecture. It's right over here.
Oh, wow, okay.
It is 1 bedroom, 1.5 bathroom, lots of lights, wraparound balcony, and fully furnished at the price of $975.
It's a little high.
Yeah, but this area is great. Like, look around us, right?
Yeah, the location is pretty nice. I'm a little disappointed it's still only 1 bedroom, but I'm willing to give it a chance.
It's a little small, but I'm really liking the details. These exposed beams are great.
I think it's super modern. I like it. The open concept is great. This kitchen is really nice. I love the color palette.
Yeah, the island really works for me. Really see ourselves entertaining people, having friends over and cooking for them.
And the furniture is pretty good too.
I know it's not a 2-bedroom, Beth, as you wanted, but this is a pull-out sofa bed.
Cool. That's perfect for friends and family, so we don't even need the 2nd bedroom.
It's $200 over the price that we wanted to pay, and I'm not really convinced that this apartment is worth it.
Right over here is the bedroom.
Okay, that sounds good.
Great size bed.
Okay. I wish I had some windows. It's a little stuffy in here.
Yeah, very boxy, kind of small.
But you do have your very own ensuite bathroom. Has great renovations. I think you
Okay.
guys are gonna love.
Oh, wow, okay. Yeah, this is super modern.
I like the stone, the mirrors. It
Yeah.
works.
I'm not really sure about that bedroom though. It's kind of small.
Yeah, the bedroom's super stuffy.
And it is $200 over our price.
That's true.
After getting to know Mexico City a little better, I think maybe my wish list is a little challenging. I think I have a lot more stress and anxiety when it comes to change.
I definitely feel the pressure to make this work for both of us.
Since Alex is willing to make this move work at any cost, Coco makes a bold move to go big and offer Beth the extra space she seeks.
So this neighborhood is Polanco.
Okay.
It's a very cosmopolitan area, and it's also one of the most exclusive areas in all of Mexico City. It's actually a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath designer suite, but it is 1,050 USD.
Ooh.
I know.
Oh, that might be getting up there for us.
I know, but wait until you see it inside.
Okay,
It's a
okay.
must-see on my list. Okay, let's check it out.
Oh, wow, 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 I love it. Wow, look at this kitchen.
Granite countertops. You also have your oven, microwave, refrigerator.
This kitchen is perfect for
The kitchen
entertaining.
is awesome. This would be a good place to host friends and family right here.
Definitely.
Okay, I agree with you. It doesn't have that Mexican charm though. Like, I'm not seeing anything that says we're in Mexico. We could be back in New York City like this right now, right?
And there's not really much of a view for being on the 10th floor.
Yeah, all I'm seeing is other buildings.
It doesn't have a balcony or outdoor space.
But you did mention 2 bedrooms.
We do.
Is there a balcony on one of the back rooms or?
We do not have balconies in either of the bedrooms.
Okay.
This would be the main bedroom.
Oh, wow, okay.
Nice size.
Yeah,
We do have a second bedroom.
okay, it's not bad.
Is that like a desk or what's that over there?
It's more of a side table, but you do have some great closet space
Oh, yeah, I see
throughout the
that.
apartment.
Yeah, that'd be good for when family comes to visit.
And they'd also have the bathroom, which is located right outside. It's a full bathroom,
Oh,
shower.
perfect. That's good to have a guest bathroom.
Yeah, I agree. Let's start off with the 2-story in Roma Norte.
The 2-story in Roma Norte was the perfect price for me.
And I really like the view.
Yeah, I did like the bedroom and I really liked the bathtub.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm not really sure about those stairs. Mira is getting kind of old.
Yeah, that's true. Which makes me think of the one in Condesa with the really nice outdoor space. Wow, this is a great space for Mira. Look at this.
Yeah, this is really big.
I could see myself there. Those beams were really cool.
But I'm just not sure if 1 bedroom is worth $200 over our price. What about the 2-bedroom modern one in Polanco?
Yeah, I know you really liked that one.
Yeah, the furniture was really great and I'm super excited about the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It would be perfect for guests and I think you could use that space for maybe an office.
Yeah, maybe. But I'm not sure about the neighborhood of Polanco.
It does have a different vibe from the other apartments we have seen. It's not as hip.
Can I be honest?
Yes.
I'm scared because I think it's your favorite, but I really don't like the one in Polanco just because there's no outdoor space, there's no view.
Okay, yeah, maybe you're right. It is super expensive and it's not right for Mira. The one in Roma Norte was the perfect price for us.
Yeah, it was a good price. And it had a great view, actually. The view was great. It's on a busy street, though, so we can see a beautiful city, but we don't necessarily get to walk around a beautiful city like we do in Condesa.
Yeah.
And I don't mind going over if it has all of our needs. And think about it. It's got a great neighborhood, park 5 minutes down the street, places to take Mira. We have a guest bathroom and a balcony, though.
Yeah, the outdoor space in that apartment was perfect for Mira. It was kind of small.
But can't you imagine us drawing together? Condesa was the hip, cool neighborhood.
Yeah,
so,
this is true. It
you know.
definitely fit our personalities more.
Yeah. We're gonna have all the people over, we're gonna host great parties, we're gonna hang out with artists. It's gonna be great.
All right, so it sounds like we're going to be living in Condesa.
Sounds like it.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh, yeah, you're looking like a real artist right now.
So Looks fantastic.
Thank you.
I got us another plant.
Oh, great. I love aloe plant.
Yeah, where should I put it?
Let's...
Leaving New York behind has been one of the best decisions we've ever made.
I was able to land a job teaching English online, and fortunately our schedule has worked out pretty well where we are able to have our own space to do our own thing. The kitchen has been great. We've had a few friends come over and some dinner parties. I'm still waiting for someone to pinch me like this is just a dream or something.